guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I thought I'd do something a little different. Well, it's not really different because I do these every month on my channel, but this is like a little different because I got Colourpop's She's a Mystery bag. It is the Let's Get Wild. It is retailed for $55, but I was able to purchase it for $25 off of Colourpop's website. This was released on Monday 21st. Around noon, and it is now Wednesday the 23rd. And when I woke up this morning, I heard, well, I woke up to a loud bang. Someone banged on my door, and the Colourpop package that I purchased was at my doorstep. And I was kind of shocked because I literally just purchased this a day and a half ago, and it's already at my door. And I was like, what? That's insane to me. So I've never done any mysterious unboxing before on my channel. I do unboxings for BoxyCharms every single month, but I've never done anything like this. So I'm kind of curious to see what you're gonna get. I went on Colourpop's website to see if the mystery bag was still there. Unfortunately, it's not even listed on their website anymore. So I don't really exactly know what I'm getting in here. All I know is it did retail for $25 with a $55 value inside. I'm kind of curious. Kind of curious to see what we're gonna get. So I'm just gonna go ahead and dive right on into this. Well, let's look at the theming of it. Not bad, you know, not bad. Like I said, this is kind of exciting because I've never done anything like this before, like mystery unboxings. I missed Jeffree Star's box because I really wanted to do that one and I missed it. So hopefully there's another one, but ooh, okay. I'm seeing some stuff in here. I'll just kind of show you. Look at this. All right, so I'm not even gonna look, I'm just gonna stick my hand in. So for the first thing we have is a Super Shock highlighter in the color Guilty Pleasure. All right, it's like a rose gold highlighter. What if I just add it onto my cheeks just a little bit? So I do have one of their Super Shock shadows. I have the Flexterian Super Shock Cheek Shadow. It is this really gorgeous highlight. Like, this doesn't even do justice. Let me stick my, first off, it feels like butter when you stick your hand in it. Then second of all, look at that. And then, ready? That to me is so gorgeous. I love the highlight, I use it all the time. The next product looks to be a volumizing mascara, black on black. Now they were just advertising that this was brand new to their website, that they were rolling out with mascaras, and I've never seen Colourpop with mascaras before. This is actually kind of exciting that I got this. This is the information for the mascara. It's introducing our first ever mascara. Instantly volumizes lips and lengthens lashes. She's with you from thin to thick, and you're the first one to try it. Oh, that's actually legit. So this isn't even like out in the market yet, and they gave us like a free product, kind of like getting like PR. Really pretty BFF designs on here, and ooh, yeah, look at that. Look at those bristles. This would be a nice way to grab each lash and volumize it up. All right, I'm excited to give this one a go. The next one is Put Me On Your Lips, Colourpop. Ultra Glossy Lip. Ooh, and the color Flying Horses. Oh, that's a pretty color. Smells really good. Screw it, I'll put it on my lips, see how it looks. Not sticky. I'm having a hard time determining the color of it. Maybe I put it right here in my hands. It's like a mauve-y pink, which I love anything mauve-y just because I'm really neutral tone, basic ass bitch when it comes to that. So the next product I got is a Super Shock shadow in the color Party of 5. I love Super Shock shadows. I actually have quite a few of them in the color Ritz. It was a Laura Lee collaboration with No Kill Shelter in California, and it's just a gorgeous like topper that I use for everything. It's a duochrome, and I always put on my eyes almost like every other day when I'm working and I don't feel like doing eyeshadow. I just throw that on, and it's just a gorgeous color. So this is how this one looks. It looks like it's a duochrome pink and blue. And yeah, let's go ahead and swatch this out. I love these shadows because they're so smooth. They're so pigmented. Ooh, that's pretty. It's hard to tell on camera, but that is definitely a pink toned shadow with our blue and gold specks inside of it. It's hard to pick up on camera, but in person you can definitely see the shimmer that's in there. So that is a really pretty color as well. The next thing we have is an ultra blotted lip. Maybe it's a liquid matte lipstick. I don't know what super blotted lip means. Let's look this up. The soft diffuse just blotted look, our medium coverage liquid lipstick dries matte, doesn't budge, and feels soft and comfy on the lips, and it retails for $6. Not a bad deal. I'm just not like a fan of ultra matte lips unless it's Kylie Cosmetics. No, not even then. I don't really like matte lipsticks to begin with because they're very drying and cakey, and I'm always gonna put in gloss on top of that. And this looks like a coral pink of some sort. Damn, there's still some more stuff in here. So the next color I got, or the next thing I got, was Lippy Stick in the color Ziggy. And matte lippy, and it looks like this, and I'll put it right next. Ooh, that is like, I don't know how to turn it. That is like deep brownish red color. All right, I got a Luxe Give Me Some Lips Luxe lipstick in the color Questions. It's a velvet blur. I say it's like a semi-matte because I have a lot of velvet lipsticks from Kylie Cosmetics, and they're matte, but they're very smooth and creamy, and they don't look very drying, but they are transferable, so that is a heads up there. Looks like so. It looks like again like a coral red. Looks like that right there. It's a little patchy on the hand, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. I'm loving the fact that I'm getting a lot of lip products in here because I love lip products. I literally I have whole drawers and drawers of lip products that I'm currently running out of room with. So it's really cool about this. If you guys take a look, the little lipstick has stars all over it. That's pretty neat. For the next product, I got a pressed powder shadow in the color Snake Eyes, and it comes in like this little like foil right here. It's like an individual. Ooh, that's really pretty. Let's take a look at that. Wow, that is a gorgeous, gorgeous color. It is like a rose gold shimmer, which we already know I love rose gold, so I'm definitely gonna have to give that one a go and give that one a try. Looks like I'm down to my final product, and it is another Super Shock shadow in the color Drift, and this looks like a deep plum color. And that is how it looks. It's kind of on the matte side. I know it looks like shimmer right there, but it's really more on the matte side when you actually look at it in person. The fact that I got 8 full-size products in this bag without including the new mascara that just rolled out, or hasn't even rolled out yet, we're one of the first ones to try this. The fact that I got 8 products, it retails for $43.50. Like I said, not including the price of this because there's no price on this website for it yet. That's fantastic. I got full-size products. I got 3 lipsticks, 4 eyeshadows, and 1 mascara. Like, for 25 bucks, you cannot beat that. I'm actually really impressed. And the colors that I got, like, I love the colors that I got. And then you got two Super Shock shadows, you got a pressed eyeshadow, you got a highlighter, like I said, the shadows, and then you got this really cool mascara that I'm dying to try out. So yeah, I'm really, really impressed. And they delivered it so quickly. Like so freaking quickly, because I lived here in Florida. Colourpop is featured over in California, and they got it here to me in a day and a half. Insane for 25 bucks. So was this bag worth it? Absolutely. You guys get a chance, if Colourpop does another mysterious bag like this, I definitely recommend going and get your hands on it because these products are fantastic. I'm so excited to try them out. Yeah, this bag was completely worth it. $25 well spent. Thank you so much, Colourpop. I'm so glad I got my hands on it. Thank you for sending it early, and thank you for letting me try this cool mascara out really early. I'm excited to give it a go, and I'll give you guys my thoughts on it. I could even do a video on it to let you guys know how it compares to maybe high-end brands or other drugstore products to go with it. So that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, if you guys like me, don't forget to give it a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post 2 videos weekly, and I try to post 3 if I can. And yeah, I thank you guys for all love and support, and I will see you guys in the very next video. Bye, guys. But so far, I got a total of hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, hi, welcome. That's not how I do my intro anymore. Pops, let's get, I went ahead and I went on, I do love their Super Shocks products. Like there's, oh God, shadow, it's pearlized. And basic Ash Fish when it comes to basic Ash. So with that being said, that was God damn it, I'm dropping everything. 8 products. Oh my god, I fucking hate my hair. I thought I got full. And if you guys get your